Yo, what's up everyone, it's David. Web development is booming, like crazy booming, and you might be wondering which programming language is the GOAT. Believe me, choosing the right language can be a game changer for your project. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps into coding or a seasoned developer looking to level up, this video is your guide to the top dogs of the web dev world. Let's dive in. First up, we got JavaScript. This right here, this is the backbone of the web. You literally can't escape it. Every time you visit a website with animations, interactive maps, or those cool dynamic features, JavaScript is working its magic in the background. And let me tell you, it's not just for front-end stuff anymore. JavaScript is everywhere. With Node.js comma, you can build the entire website, front and back end, all with JavaScript. Talk about versatility. And the community, massive, which means tons of resources and support when you need it. Next up is Python. If JavaScript is the king of the web, Python is like that super versatile Swiss Army knife. It can do it all. But when it comes to web development, Python really shines with its frameworks, especially Django and Flask. Django is like that full-blown, professional-grade toolset. It's perfect for building complex, data-driven websites. Think Instagram or Pinterest. Flask, on the other hand, is more like that sleek, minimalist tool. It gives you the flexibility to build things your way. And the best part? Python's syntax is super readable and beginner-friendly, so it's a great language to learn. Now let's talk about PHP. This one's been around for ages, powering a huge chunk of the internet. We're talking about giants like WordPress and Facebook. PHP is all about that server-side scripting. Basically, it handles all the behind-the-scenes work like interacting with databases and managing user accounts. It might not be as trendy as some of the newer languages, but PHP is reliable, battle-tested, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Plus, with such a massive ecosystem, you'll find tons of resources and a supportive community. Let's talk about Ruby. Now Ruby is all about elegance and developer happiness. It's known for its clean syntax and focus on simplicity. But when it comes to web development, Ruby is practically synonymous with Ruby on Rails. This framework is like that master craftsman, known for building beautiful, maintainable web applications. It emphasizes convention over configuration, meaning you spend less time setting things up and more time actually building your app. Basecamp and Shopify are just a couple of examples of what you can create with Ruby on Rails. Last but not least, we have TypeScript. Think of TypeScript as JavaScript's superpowered sibling. It takes everything we love about JavaScript and adds static typing. Now this might sound a bit technical, but trust me, it's a game changer for large-scale applications. Static typing helps you catch errors early on, makes your code more predictable, and improves collaboration in teams. So, if you're building something big and complex, TypeScript is definitely worth checking out. So, there you have it, the top dogs of the web development world. Each language has its own strengths and sweet spots, so the best one for you really depends on your specific project and coding style. The key is to experiment, have fun, and never stop learning. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. See you in the next one.